Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into exciting research topics that shape the world we live in. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating subject of the effect of social media marketing on consumer decision-making. This research topic is of utmost importance as social media has become an integral part of our daily lives and profoundly influences how consumers make their purchasing decisions. To illustrate the significance of this research, let's look at some real-world examples. Companies like Nike and Coca-Cola have mastered the art of social media marketing, leveraging platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube to connect with their target audience. Through clever campaigns and engaging content, they influence consumer choices and build strong brand loyalty. On the other hand, a poorly managed social media presence can lead to negative impacts, as seen with some companies facing backlash for insensitive posts or controversial marketing strategies. Understanding how social media marketing affects consumer behavior is vital for businesses to stay competitive and resonate with their audience effectively. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 1 of any research paper sets the foundation for the entire study. It is crucial to draft this section meticulously, covering several essential elements. Let's take a closer look. Research problem. The research problem is the central issue that the study aims to address. For example, the increasing dominance of social media as a marketing tool raises questions about its true impact on consumer decision-making. Research significance. Here, we highlight why this research matters. For instance, understanding the influence of social media marketing on consumers can guide companies in optimizing their marketing strategies and enhancing customer engagement. Research questions. Sample research questions are: what is the impact of social media marketing content on consumer decision-making processes? How do influencer marketing campaigns influence consumer purchase behaviors? What are the variations in consumer responses to marketing efforts across different social media platforms? Research objectives. The sample research objectives are: to investigate the relationship between social media marketing content and consumer purchase intentions, to explore the role of influencer marketing in shaping consumer preferences, to analyze the differences in consumer decision-making between social media platforms. Research rationale. The research rationale justifies why this study is necessary. For instance, as social media marketing continues to gain prominence, there is a lack of comprehensive research exploring its effects on consumer decision-making, thus making this study highly relevant. Chapter 2, Literature Review. The literature review is a critical part of any research, as it provides a comprehensive overview of existing studies and findings related to the topic. Suitable subtopics for this research include: the evolution of social media marketing, the historical development of social media marketing, the growth of social media platforms and their significance in marketing. Social media and consumer behavior, the impact of social media on consumer decision-making, consumer psychology and its relevance to social media marketing. Influencer marketing and brand perception, the role of influencers in shaping consumer attitudes, the effectiveness of influencer marketing campaigns. Social media analytics and consumer insights, data-driven decision-making in social media marketing, using analytics to understand consumer preferences. Theories and models. Some theories and models that can be adopted for this research include: social influence theory, explaining how individuals' behaviors are influenced by their social environment, including social media interactions. Elaboration likelihood model, understanding the process of persuasive communication and how consumers process marketing messages on social media. Consumer decision-making models, exploring various models like the buyer decision process model to comprehend how consumers move through the stages of decision-making. Chapter 3, Methodology. Chapter 3 outlines the research methodology, which involves explaining how the study will be conducted. Here are some key areas to cover. Suitable conceptual framework. A suitable conceptual framework for this research may include 3 independent variables such as social media content, influencer marketing, and consumer engagement, with the dependent variable being consumer decision-making. Recommended research philosophy. For this type of research, a pragmatic research philosophy may be appropriate. It allows for a flexible approach, incorporating both qualitative and quantitative methods. Recommended research approach. An inductive research approach could be adopted, allowing the researchers to explore the data and draw insights from specific cases before forming broader theories. Recommended research strategy. A mixed methods research strategy may be ideal, combining qualitative data from interviews or surveys, and quantitative data from social media analytics and statistical analysis. Recommended research choice. A cross-sectional research design could be chosen, gathering data at a specific point in time to analyze the relationship between social media marketing and consumer decision-making. Recommended data analysis method. Given the nature of the research, a combination of quantitative and qualitative data analysis methods could be employed to gain a comprehensive understanding of the research problem. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations are crucial in any research involving human subjects. For example, ensuring participants' data privacy and obtaining informed consent from those involved in interviews or surveys. Chapter 4, Data Analysis. Chapter 4 involves the data analysis, based on the methodology recommended in Chapter 3. Let's take a look at how data analysis can be conducted for both quantitative and qualitative research. Quantitative data analysis. If the research adopts a quantitative approach, data can be analyzed using statistical tools. For example, determining the sample size based on statistical significance and confidence levels. A larger sample size, say 500 participants, would ensure more accurate results. Qualitative data analysis. In qualitative research, data can be analyzed using thematic analysis. Sample size depends on data saturation, which means researchers continue collecting data until new themes or insights stop emerging. In this case, around 15-20 interviews might be sufficient. Chapter 5 Conclusion. The conclusion is a crucial part of the research paper, where the findings and insights are summarized. It should tie back to the research questions and objectives while providing key takeaways from the study. Chapter 6 Recommendations. Lastly, the recommendation chapter suggests practical actions based on the research findings. For this topic, some suitable recommendations could include: companies should invest in social media marketing strategies tailored to their target audience to maximize consumer engagement and brand loyalty. Brands should carefully select influencers whose values align with their own, as authenticity plays a vital role in influencing consumer decisions. Social media analytics tools should be utilized to gain deeper insights into consumer preferences and track the effectiveness of marketing efforts. That's a wrap on the effect of social media marketing on consumer decision-making. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting research topics in the future. See you next time.